Kani kalong ka Khubor siya Chief Minister jong ka Jilla Meghalaya. Kenriutli ki panai kala ya hadin bag expert committee kala pa ya ka report siya ka Sorkar Jilla. Nrai kalong ka basngusi bag Sorkar Jilla kampat shimla penmerapat ba ya kani ka report hadu minta. Wat hadin ba ka party kala ai ka jingtho bonsin ban pen kan mau ba kidai ban penmerapat ba no ya kani ka report. Lada ka Sorkar kadang yai penslem parti kan haban shim ya ka sen jam ban penlong daga jinge ki pat ba sa shi sen pat ha kini ki kindiat sngi ba ki kindiat por ki ban wan. This is an open statement to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. 6 months had lapsed since the submission of the report by the expert committee. However, the state government seems not to be willing to make it public till today, despite repeated reminders from the party. Therefore, in this connection, the party would be compelled to resume its agitation if the government failed to announce the report of the expert committee immediately. Thank you.